Welcome to hot and spicy Miami, Florida, where in the kitchen of Lucy Abreu, it's anything but hot. And nothing is as it seems.
You have food in there.
That's why her daughter Josie is surprising her with a real dream come true.
My mom deserves this kitchen so much.
With only 5 days and one problem after another, this is going to delay us. It's a constant struggle to get things done.
What do we do?
But with my design sense,
Contrast to the door.
They don't
work together.
Yeah, and celebrated chef Eric Greenspan's mastery of all things kitchen,
The effect it's going to have on your food is going to be unbelievable.
we're going to do whatever it takes
It is what it is.
to fix this kitchen. Today is a big day. We're in Miami. It's hot. We've got to tear apart this kitchen today for Lucy. She's not here right now. Her daughter Josie is going to be helping us out. Lucy loves cooking Dominican food. She has a big family. Everyone comes over to the house for amazing meals. She's doing it right now in a kitchen that's not so great. We got the full gang here. We've got Chef Eric Greenspan, and we've got 5 days to finish this kitchen.
Okay, so welcome into my house, my kitchen. It's a disaster, I'm sorry. My mom absolutely hates that kitchen. She can't work in it. She works so fast that things end up getting in her way. She doesn't have enough counter space. Okay, I guess we'll start here. We have our storage compartment because there's not enough space for anything, really.
Wait. You store in the dishwasher.
Yeah, after we wash it by hand, we put it in the...
Oh, my God.
You don't even use the dishwasher?
No, we don't use the dishwasher. It doesn't clean well.
Is there stuff in here?
There is. We have food in there.
Oh,
Because
man.
it stopped working.
Question.
Yes.
When it did work,
Yes.
did you have food in here?
Sometimes.
Storage then is definitely a big issue.
Is there, I'm going to check in here
We
now,
have
too. Let's see.
pots in there.
So all other appliances have turned into storage vessels.
Yes, they have.
Awesome.
What I am most amazed about is that your mom has all this storage that's not even in the kitchen.
Yeah, we use the garage.
This area over here, where it looks like a dining area, but really,
Yeah.
does anyone sit there? Because it doesn't look
Yeah,
that
no,
inviting.
we do sit there. I
Okay.
actually cook on that table as well since we don't have enough space to cook together.
You've got maybe like 5.5 feet of
It's like
actual
me.
countertop.
You have me in counter space.
That's not a good
That
thing.
is not a good thing. I see this poor woman just cutting and slashing and slipping and banging everywhere. That's no way to cook for a family.
We have been working on this kitchen for the past couple of weeks, and we're essentially changing everything. If you want to do a range, this would work perfectly. New appliances, new countertops, new layout. We open up this wall, right, the back wall.
Right.
Then we have room for the pantries that you want, right? How does that look?
Nice.
You're not going to recognize this
Yeah.
place when we're done with it. Well, we've got 5 days to knock this kitchen out.
That's perfect. My stepdad's coming home in 5 days.
From where?
Iraq.
Does your mom know?
No, it's a surprise to my mom. She doesn't know. She knows he's coming home in the next couple of months, but not this soon.
Not only is Lucy going to get a brand new kitchen, she's going to be able to see her husband, who she hasn't seen in months. Now, you have a lot of family in town, right?
We do.
Okay. So we're going to have a big...
We're having a family reunion.
Nice.
Wow. So new kitchen, cooking the family reunion.
Perfect.
Good times.
I love it.
Where is she right now?
She's at school right now.
We have to tear apart that kitchen before she comes home in just a few hours. You want to get started tearing this thing apart?
Yes, please.
She's like, I'm not ready to start talking. All right, so with this kitchen, we're keeping pretty much the same layout. So on the wall that the sink was, We're actually gonna take down that wall to be a lower wall so that now that countertop is all the same plane. We're taking down this back wall and pushing it into the garage. Refrigerator will go on this back wall. We're also gonna have more counter space, more upper cabinets, and underneath the window, we're going to run another little area for bar stools and prep space. We're gonna have a lot more counter space and workspace along the oven and microwave wall. At the end of that bank of cabinets, we're gonna do two 24-inch pull-out pantries.
Your mom's gonna be home any second now.
Yeah.
So we really have to get moving on this. We need to take this bad boy down.
Okay.
So let's get the guys in here.
Yeah.
And let's unleash the house.
Nicole,
Yeah?
come here for 1 second.
What's up?
As you can see, we have this panel right here smack in the center of the wall that we're relocating and
Right.
putting on this side. When we tear this down, we have to trench the floor.
Through the concrete?
Yes, ma'am.
Why can't we run it through the walls?
By code, you have to bring it where it comes. The power, the service comes from the bottom. So we have to get a junction box, tie it to the top, and bring it into this wall, and that's where we do it by code.
We have to replace every single circuit in their house.
Right.
All the lines coming into this now have to be rerouted.
Usually it takes about, 3-4 days to do this. With the time that we're playing with, we're gonna stay here up to 5 o'clock in the morning to get it done.
I have faith in you, but I'm nervous. Lucy's about to come home in a few minutes.
Wall is down, kitchen is demoed, and mom's is on her way.
She's here. Oh my God! Oh my God. This is what we've been doing all day. Oh, thank God. This is all getting rid of all this. The fridge just broke. And also, the freaking garbage disposal broke. Our trash is smelling up in the garage. Oh my God, this is amazing. I don't have a job, and it was just like overwhelming. I'm just sad my husband's not here.
In 5 days, you're gonna have a brand new kitchen. Everything is from IKEA. You're just gonna have...
Oh, IKEA.
We understand you got some family in town?
Yes, we do. My sister and my nephew are
Right.
here.
So 5 days, family reunion?
Absolutely, I'd love it.
Right here.
Right here. I'll cook.
I'll eat.
Sounds great.
That makes two of us.
Yeah. And in those 5 days, you're not gonna be here. You get to relax in a hotel, take your mind off it. You don't have to make any decisions.
Wow.
Before we get you off to your hotel, we left one piece of the kitchen that must have been the bane of your existence. Come here for a second. I want you to think about all of the pain that this kitchen has caused you.
So worth it. I got all my aggravation out of there.
Coming up.
We couldn't get any work done last night.
Why not? This is gonna delay us.
Does he have time for that craftsmanship?
Good morning.
Morning.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Holy cow.
Holy cow.
Talk
it's
about
ready.
being in the trenches, right?
Yep. Well, as you can see, guys, it's just not a kitchen upgrade. We have to relocate one of the biggest walls with the plumbing, the electrical panel. We couldn't get any work done last night.
Why not?
They kicked us out of here at 12 o'clock. Townhouse, next door neighbors at 12 o'clock, they wanted us out of here, so, we just pretty much left. I wasn't able to get to the electrical, cutting the concrete because of the noise. Couldn't chip the floors. I couldn't do the majority of the construction.
Had I have known it was gonna be like this, I would have never moved the wall. Never. This is gonna delay us. This taking so much time is not gonna affect everything that's gonna happen in this kitchen. Maybe we do another floor option.
We have to put in floors.
Well, yeah, I get that. I'm just saying, or we decide not to move the wall. Everything is still here. Maybe we just say, forget it. We can reconfigure the cabinets. I'm just thinking.
If you tell these guys to not move the wall after they just did this,
I get it.
you have a revolution on your hands.
I get it. What can we do that is going to save us time?
Are you marrying the soffit?
We've got, right, because this has piping in it. So we have to keep this. So this has a water line. The idea was to marry this soffit and to match it on the refrigerator wall back here, so that the soffit is built out around the refrigerator and all the upper cabinets around the corner, wrapping to the window.
Does he have time for that craftsmanship? I look at the state of the kitchen, and I'm thinking, we've got to get this done. We got a party to throw.
So,
Well, but I mean, we don't need to put it in the soffit. We don't need to mirror the soffit. We've got plenty of cabinetry. That's one little element that doesn't really affect everything that we do. That will save them quite a bit of time. And I imagine framing out this whole thing when they could just go straight up on the wall would probably be a lot easier.
I have to stand in a place of keeping the design in line for Lucy.
Yeah, I get you, Duchess, but you got to choose then. You got to choose. Are you going to choose something like a soffit, which is completely, pardon my French, but totally unnecessary, or are we going to keep the floors, which I imagine is something that you're probably more concerned about? Apparently not. Apparently you're more concerned about the unnecessary soffit. She said it herself. Something's got to give. She said, do we get rid of the floors? Get rid of this. So I picked out the thing which was called the soffit, because I don't even know what a soffit is.
I get where he's going to save time, but not at the expense of the design. Absolutely not.
Duchess, we have a dilemma.
Yeah, way to start a second day, right?
The IKEA truck is here, and every time it shows up, it feels like Christmas.
Wow.
Try to guess what this is.
Microwave.
Yes! Look at that. Beyond the fact that it's sleek and it works, which is automatically a step up.
Oh, yeah.
This bad boy's got some pretty cool functions. Number one, low voltage. So when you got an electrical stove and the microwave going at the same time, your power bills are going to skyrocket, which is kind of key. Best part, this bad boy. This will slide into a charcoal filter that's underneath it.
Okay.
And this thing will catch all the grease, so it doesn't got to stain your new backsplash and ruin your paint. And they're interchangeable. You can buy new ones of these, and they just pop in and pop out. So it makes cleaning a breeze.
That's awesome.
Let's go and pack other stuff.
Let's go.
This is the door style that's going in the kitchen, okay? This is a really nice classic line. It's very simple, and we did light tones just to keep it more modern.
Okay.
This was my launching point, right? The postcard. So the postcard from Spain, this was on her refrigerator, so I figured what a great way to take the design off of something that she already really loves and admires. And then we have the granite.
I love that.
Again, this pulls in the tones of the postcard.
Yeah.
It's kind of earthy, right?
Yeah.
Contrast to the door.
It'll work together.
Yeah. So now, backsplash.
I love that.
Isn't that great?
Yeah. She's gonna love that.
And then we've got hardware. I know she likes modern elements, so that will be the door hardware.
She's gonna flip.
Morning, sir.
How's everything?
Good, how are you? It's day 3, and the only difference I'm seeing is less calamity.
We got soffits, man. I like it. And yet again, I got another one over Chef. No, hey, man, his choice.
Yeah, I'm glad.
Let's focus on the major plumbing and electrical. Finally got done.
Now that the stuff behind the stuff is done, let's start hanging stuff up. Start putting things together. There's a lot of cabinet work to be done. Done. Huh.
We made a cabinet.
Yeah, we did. Ah!
Yes.
How you doing? All right, so you can see we already attached this piece.
Right, this is our
to
sink
the-
cabinet.
Yeah.
Good.
The dishwasher goes here.
Right.
We just realized we're gonna have about 6 inches of extra partition.
Yeah. We can either cut this back, cut this off, and this is gone, or we build out the wall here.
We gotta make a decision as soon as possible because the granite's already been cut and it's on its way.
What do we do? Yeah, that's a big, what if we just build out, so it looks like this, right? So see how you see right here?
Right?
Now we build another little pony wall out, and then our countertop just comes, he doesn't have to cut it.
Right.
And then this face is just drywall. It is what it is. It just keeps us from cutting down that countertop, you know. One way it's a can of worms, this way it's a can of worms, and whatever it is, we're eating worms, right?
Consider it done.
Coming up.
We are still so deep in the weeds that I feel bad telling Josie that we're close.
We had your home appraised. The value of your home with this remodel has now increased. Day 4 kind of rolled into day 5 for me. I came back after dinner just to check in on the guys, and I couldn't walk away and leave them working all night. I had to stay. I had to stay.
Oh, wow. It looks really nice.
We still have some work to do.
Well,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, do you want me to give you the rundown of what
Yes,
we did?
please. Yes,
okay.
please.
So last night we did the tile.
Okay.
All the countertops were installed. Sink. They were finishing up the soffit and drywall action. We got drawers too.
They have done a lot of work. It's just there's still a lot left to do.
It is definitely moving along. We are still so deep in the weeds that I feel bad telling Josie that we're close. Look at this.
Nice, right?
Yeah. Nice color.
I know.
Nice. I gotta get to IKEA. I gotta pick out some cooking supplies, stuff like that if we're gonna have this party today.
Yep, that sounds great. Yeah, I
So-
gotta get some last minute accessories.
Can you do me a favor? Can you call your mom and have her meet us there?
Okay.
Because I kind of want to pick out the stuff with her so we collaborate on what she might need in here. I'm taking Lucy over to the marketplace.
All right, perfect. You're coming with me to the pretty stuff.
Let's go.
Your daughter was actually telling me about a dish that you're pretty well known for in the neighborhood, which is
Mangu, yes.
Mangu. What is that again?
That's boiled green plantains.
Okay.
And you mash them together with butter and oil, and that's pretty much it.
You ever seen one of these?
No.
This is a potato masher. Or perhaps in your case, a mangu maker.
I like
because
it.
what this is, you can put the plantains in here and then crush. And it's a lot more simple than doing the whole mash. And what you
Right.
get is you get a finer grain right away. See, because you push it right through those holes.
I'm thinking we need to find a pot that works with our theme of the kitchen, right?
Okay.
So it's kind of like that eclectic, kind of traveled feel.
Okay.
That's like the exact same color as the tile.
Perfect.
Okay, great. So we'll grab a big one and a little one.
Okay.
You got the big one?
Got the big one.
Perfect. Done.
You know what one of these things are?
Yes.
What is it?
We call it a pilon.
A pilon. Well, I call it a mortar and pestle.
Okay.
But that's the beautiful thing. We can call it so many different things. So what do you use it for?
To mash garlic. Fresh garlic
Awesome.
cloves.
You throw them in this bad boy and then grind them up yourself, either into a paste or into a powder. The effect it's going to have on your food is going to be unbelievable.
Nicole, look at these. These are really cool.
Oh my gosh, I
Oh,
love
and a mini
these.
one.
These are so cute. I know, I was going to say, they're so adorable. I think they need to go in the kitchen. Anything you can think of?
What up? How's it going, guys?
Where's my mom?
I didn't want her to see all the stuff, so I sent her back to the hotel.
All right, we good? You got everything you need?
Yeah.
We're good? We're good. All right, let's get out of here.
Happy, happy?
Very happy.
Yay!
You want to talk about coming down to the wire? We are there today.
We are minutes away of getting this thing done. Lucy is minutes away from arriving. She's going to walk into this kitchen, and she's going to cry. And then her husband's going to come back from Iraq, and she's going to cry again.
Oh my God. Oh my God. It's beautiful. I love it. Thank you so much. I love everything. I love the floor all the way through. It's more than I could have ever dreamed of. You guys did an amazing job. Thank you so much. Thank you, Josie. You're the best.
One of the things that I knew that you really wanted in this kitchen was family. And so that's why we put in this little bar area.
I love it, absolutely.
If you notice, the magic silver box doesn't protrude out into the kitchen very far, does
I
it?
noticed that, yes.
So it's also counter depth, right? So that this fridge is the same depth as your cabinetry. So a lot of fridges come out to about right here. You also notice where we're standing. Does this kitchen feel a little bit bigger to you?
Yes. Absolutely. We're in the garage.
We are what was once the garage. And now, instead of all of your storage being in the garage, it's in your kitchen.
I love it.
Take a look at that left cabinet. Go ahead. Amazing, right?
Amazing. Oh, and I could pull it out?
Yes!
I love this. Easy access. I don't have to be climbing in to find stuff behind that. This is amazing.
This is not a cabinet. This is a microwave. Not only is it a microwave, but down here, it is a functioning ventilation system. See this? Under-counter lights.
You do the honors on that one.
Okay.
And that's just one of many upper cabinets that you have in this kitchen.
The fact that I can have my family in the kitchen while I'm cooking is what makes me very happy right now.
We had your home appraised, and the value of your home with this remodel has now increased 15%.
Wow. That's amazing.
So we got a party to start.
We do. Family reunion. But there's reunions?
And then there are
Reunions.
Hi, baby.
I was dying to see Lucy, so when I saw Lucy, I was very happy to give her a hug, but I felt I wasn't in my home. I could not put it all together. It took a minute for my mind to realize I'm in my house. They just redid the kitchen.
But I'm so happy you're here.
See? Thank you.
Here's to good friends, good food, and great kitchens.
Because you're not even aiming.
Now you can munganate. Delicious.
We're ready.
We got ourselves a feast. Let's do this. This is so good.